31 cash apps and websites in 31 days. We are on day 5, so please do check out the previous videos. The previous ones are all cashback apps. Today we're going to do another cashback app, and also, you know, by the time you're watching this, the other ones might be out as well. So I have a bunch of cashback apps, referral apps, free cryptocurrency, free stock apps, make money watching videos, make money listening to music. So there is a playlist. There's a link in the video description below for that as well. So do check out all those. Also, please do subscribe, hit the notification bell to be notified of new videos coming out. I also have hundreds of videos on my back catalog as well of all kind of making money, saving money, all kind of things like that. And some of these apps you can actually make money by referring people. The one we're going to do today is like that as well. And there's another video I have for that, a specific place where you can refer people for free and stuff like that. So check out that video as well. Like, again, all these links are in the video description below. They might be popping up in the video here and there as well. So yeah, really cool stuff. So if you're also interested in starting your very own online income stream, please check out this like-minded community. There's thousands of people there, actually 1.some million or whatever, with free training. You get a free website. You don't need any money down to start with or anything like that. Of course, you can upgrade to a full premium membership, but there's enough value there in the free tiers to see if it's something you want to do. All kind of really cool stuff, and you can connect with me there as well. Very cool stuff. So, okay, let's get into today's app/website. So first, we're going to talk about what it is, how it works, payment proof, do they have a referral program to make even more cash, how do they pay, what countries, and so on and so forth, some reviews, pros and cons, and final thoughts. So let's get right into this one today. Today we are looking at Deliverycom, and basically all it is it's a delivery service that delivers food from different restaurants. You can get your laundry, you can buy alcohol and stuff like that. All kind of really cool things. You just put in your zip code here like that, and you're going to see if it's available in your location. Let's just put my zip code in. And then we have all these different restaurants and such that is available. Some of them have coupons and stuff. $15 minimum, free delivery, sponsor, $20 off your first time user on this one here. So all kind of really cool stuff. Like I said, they have alcohol, they have groceries, laundry, catering even, gifts. And the really cool thing about this one is you do get cash back. The more money you spend on it, you get cash back. And I've been using them for years. It's a really good service. Currently, they're only available in the United States and in the different cities. Like I said, go to the link in the video description below, check it out, see if it's available in your area. Another cool thing about it is they do have a referral program. And currently at this time, if you use my link, you're going to get $10, and I'm going to get $10 when you place your first order. So that's very cool. And then you can share your referral link. Everyone gets a special referral link. It's right there. You just copy that and post it on different places. You can Facebook, tweet it, send it in the mail. And again, I have another video about where to share these referral links that you can do for free as well. So check that out. So really, really, really cool. It's a really, like I said, I've been using it for years. You do get cash back. For right now, for example, I have, let's check it out. Right now, I got a bunch of points, close to 4,000. And then when you get to the different reward tiers, I can get $5 off, $10 off, $20 off my next order. They don't actually pay you in cash, but you do get cash back, and then you can use it again and again. And then they also have other places you can donate to charities if you want to. They have a bunch of different charities here, and they also have other things here like the charities. So really, really cool. Really, really cool. So let's check out some reviews. They do have an iOS app as well. Let's check out some of the reviews here on the App Store. So right now they got a 4.8 out of 5. Very nice, about 30,000 ratings. Very good indeed. And then on Android, they have a 4.0 out of 5. A little less ratings on this one, a little over 3,000. I don't know, for some reason the Android apps ratings are always a little bit lower than the iOS apps. I don't know why, because I've been doing this for a while and I see that a lot. I don't know why, but whatever. It's a really good service. You definitely want to check it out. So what are some of the pros and cons and my final thoughts on this app? You know, great. It's great. You know, there's really no cons. I mean, it's just like any other delivery service, but you get the points back. You get the and then you get free food and stuff like that. There's really no cons to it at all if you order out a lot. I guess the con would be that it's only available in the United States in certain cities at the moment, but there are a lot of cities where it is available. Like I said, you just have to click on the link, put in your zip code, and see if it is available. And please do use my referral code because you're going to get $10 right off the bat, and I'm going to get $10, and you can share it. That is a pro as well. So yeah, I mean, that's just it. You know, not really much else to say about it. It's a really cool service. I've been using it for years. Please do check out my hundreds of other videos. Please check out the playlist for the 31 apps in 31 days. All kind of really cool stuff in there. That is all for today, and I will talk to you soon.